Gardening ideas for home that are perfect for small spaces. Small balconies, tiny patios, and even indoors. Idea 1. Vertical gardening. You are running out of garden space. Go vertical. Vertical gardening saves space and creates a stunning green wall effect. Use wall-mounted planters, hanging pots, or simple shelves to grow herbs, trailing plants, and even vegetables. Vertical gardening is perfect for balconies, small patios and verandas, and even indoors. Idea 2. Balcony herb garden. It is easy to grow mint, basil, coriander, parsley, lavender, or rosemary in small pots. Place them near your kitchen window or in balcony or balcony railing. Not only do they look beautiful, you get fresh herbs. Idea 3. Hanging baskets. If your floor is crowded and don't have space for garden, look up, plant in hanging baskets, which add layers to your garden. Plants like pothos, spider plant, petunia, and ferns look amazing when cascading down. They create a soft, lush effect without using extra space. Idea 4. Container gardening. No space in your yard, no problem. Grow your plants in containers. Use ceramic, terracotta, or plastic pots. Grow bags, buckets, even recycled containers. You can grow flowers, vegetables, and even dwarf fruit plants this way. Container gardening is flexible and beginner-friendly. Idea 5. Indoor corner garden. Do you have an empty corner in your living room? Turn it into a green area. Use different height plant stands. Combine tall plants like fiddle leaf fig, rubber plant, or Erica palm with medium and small plants for depth. Use warm lighting to create a cozy indoor jungle. You can also use a side tabletop for more plants. Idea 6. DIY raised beds. If you have a small backyard or terrace, use raised beds. They make maintenance easier and give your garden a neat, organized look. These are perfect for growing tomatoes, spinach, and chilies, herbs, and flowers. Idea 7. Succulent display table. Succulents need low maintenance, but offer high style. They need very little watering, and are perfect for busy people. Arrange succulents in a shallow tray or wooden box. Mix different types, shapes, and textures. Idea 8. Use railing planters creatively. Balcony railings are in use gold. Install railing planters and grow flowering plants or herbs. They add instant charm to balconies and maximize space. Just make sure they are secured properly for safety. Idea 9. Grow seasonal flowers. Want instant color? Plant seasonal flowers like marigolds, petunias, pansies, or zinnias. They bloom quickly, flower for a long time, and make your home look vibrant and cheerful. Rotate them every season for fresh looks year-round. Idea 10. Mini water feature. Want a peaceful vibe? Add a small tabletop fountain or water bowl with aquatic plants. The sound of water reduces stress and elevates your garden's feel. Even a simple bowl with floating plants can create magic. Bonus tip. Here is something most beginners forget. Start small. Start slowly. Don't try to build everything at once. Begin with 3 to 5 plants. Learn their watering needs. Observe sunlight patterns in your space, and grow step by step. Which idea are you going to try first? Vertical garden, herb corner, or hanging baskets? Comment below and tell me. Please like and subscribe and hit the bell icon for more plant care guides.